What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you different examples and try to show you how to simplify radical expressions. The first one is square root of 75 r to the power of 9 divided by s to the power of 8. So the answer will be 3 times 25, which is 5 squared. R to the power of 9 is r to the power of 8 times r divided by s to the power of 8. So that means it's gonna be square root of 5 squared r to the power of 8 divided by s to the power of 8, 3r, which is gonna be 5 r to the power of 4 s to the power of 4 square root of 3r. That's the final answer. Next example. It's going to be square root of 72 x to the power of 5 divided by y to the power of 6. The answer is 72 is 2 times 36, and 36 is 6 squared. 6 squared times 2, 72. And x to the power of 5 is x to the power of 4 times x divided by y to the power of 6. So I can write it like that. 6 squared times x to the power of 4 divided by y to the power of 6 multiplied by 2x. Then square root of 6 squared is 6. Square root of x to the power of 4 is x squared. Square root of y to the power of 6 is y cubed times 2x. Next example is square root of 28 p to the power of 7 divided by q to the power of 2. Answer: 28 is 7 times 4, so it's going to be 7 times 4 p to the power of 6 times p divided by q squared. So that's going to be square root of 7, square root of 2 squared, square root of p to the power of 6, square root of p divided by square root of q squared. That will be 2p to the power of 3 divided by q root 7p. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.